Where were you at when you recovered that memory?
At home.
Okay. And it's your testimony that no one told you what happened?
Yes.
We'll watch this video, okay?
Water and things? Yeah. If you need one while you're talking, let me know. You want to sit on my couch and he'll jump up next to you like last time? Yeah, you know how it works. You have been here. How about that?
I recommend number 7.
Those are good things when you need to move your hands. Sometimes when I talk to kids, they need to move hands. Yeah. So you've been here before? Remember that day we talked?
Yeah, this is when we start someone's muscle.
It is.
Muscles.
Muscles. Alex, you remember my name?
Mm-hmm.
Jessica? Yeah. Do you remember that day you came and talked to me?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me how you got here that day.
Where I had an investigation.
Do you remember her name?
No.
Was it Miss Sarah?
I think so.
You think so? Did you ride in her car?
Yeah.
Tell me about her car.
Isn't it fancy?
It was very fancy.
Even though that it was from a long time ago.
It was. What makes you think it was from a long time ago?
She told me.
Where did you sit in her car?
Betsy.
Backseat. Who was with you? You and Daddy. And remember we talked that day? What are some things we talked about?
We talked about stuff that Joe's saying and stuff that are
We talked about school. We talked about, help me remember, okay? You're in the 2nd grade. And your teacher is Miss Amy? What's your teacher's name? Miss Amy. And you told me about some friends you have at school. And you told me that you like lunchtime and that you like PE time. Yeah. Okay. And you liked related arts.
Yeah, we had dance and like, or we go to special classes at the end of the day.
You liked those things.
No, I don't like all of them.
You did not like music and you did not like art. Which ones did you like? Help me remember. You liked PE. Did you like computers? Yeah. Tell me what you did in computer class.
Well, we play certain games and we do certain things.
So. Words. Sometimes I can't hear very good. Okay. Okay. And remember, my friend Ms. Morgan that you just talked to. Remember, she watches to make sure I ask some more questions. I have some other friends watching today. And there's this microphone behind you, and they want to hear your voice too, okay?
Oh, I did not know.
I don't know if I told you about the microphone last time.
No, you didn't.
But we talked about the camera. Remember the camera that watches us?
That was a bit last time.
It was there. I think we just didn't talk about it.
I was at that a lot and I never saw the camera.
We did. That was a loud truck trying to stop at a stop sign.
And some of the first name.
What does it sound like?
It sounds like a train.
A train?
I never got to go on a train.
You've never got to go on a train?
Yeah, soon we actually got to go on a plane, but seems like that's been spoiled.
Where were you gonna go on a plane?
Kansas.
Yeah, tell
But that has been spoiled.
Yeah, how did that get spoiled?
My dad, he did something bad. And then he goes out there and yeah, now that sort of protected us from going to Kansas. What was I about to say? We got to go with them online. But don't worry, we'll be going back to ocean.
Okay.
So we had to get a phone sign to, because until I'm supposed to got straightened out.
So Alex, you remember what my job is?
We got the kids.
I do, and you just told me a whole bunch of information, so I'm gonna ask some questions about it, okay?
Okay.
You said that you've never been on a train, that you were gonna go on a plane, but that's been spoiled because Daddy did something bad, and now you can't go to Kansas. You've been taken away from your mom, but it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
We'll be going back to it.
Okay.
Right now, well, I'm going
What's your aunt and uncle's name? Wait. Why are you looking at me like that?
and then,
What do you call them?
wait, what's her name? I forgot. Wait, no, it's not Danielle, it's, Danielle.
So remember, if, I'm gonna go over my rules, okay? Remember, if you don't know an answer to something, you're supposed to say what? You're supposed to say, I don't know. Don't guess, okay? And Alex, remember, if I get something wrong,
I have to say what?
like if I called you Sam, what would you say to me?
I would say that's a good name.
But is that your name? How long have you had a cough?
Ever.
Forever? And you cough a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And then this bump on my tongue.
Yeah, how'd you get that?
I don't know.
Do you remember the one most important rule in here?
Do not lie.
And you cannot be in trouble, right?
There's
No matter what you say.
2 rules at this place.
Yeah.
But she said there's only one.
No,
There's actually 2 rules. You never get in trouble for what you say, and you also have to always tell the truth. So it's actually 2 rules.
there's 2 rules.
Yeah.
How do you feel about being here today to talk to me?
I was actually wanting to sleep all the time.
Tell me why.
Well, because I was tired.
Are you tired?
I had a tired day, but I'm not tired now. And I can't wait to get home to see what we're gonna eat.
Are you hungry?
No, but like I ate snack not too long ago.
Did
Whenever we were home, we ate some lunch.
you eat breakfast?
Yeah.
What'd you have for breakfast?
Cereal.
Cereal. What kind of cereal?
Cereal, something. Yeah, cereal.
Cheerios. Did you eat it with milk or no milk?
Milk sort of brings out the sweetness when you get the taste the sweetness.
Yeah.
I like that part. The Cheerios,
You
they're
do?
super sweet.
They're good Cheerios. Okay. So tell me about Kansas.
You want to know why I was young?
Yeah.
16 and mommy, mom. Mommy.
To see mommy's grandma?
Yeah.
Who all was going?
Like that was nice for mommy.
Her mommy?
Only me and her.
Only you and mommy? Yeah. What about everyone else?
They didn't know her son.
When did y'all talk about going to Kansas? Like what day was that y'all talked about it?
Well, let's see. That would be 24 days. We had it was 54, 50.
It's okay
It was 10 days ago.
that y'all talked about it.
I don't know.
That's okay. Just say I don't know. Yeah, tell me about your new medication.
Well, when I was in the hospital with Daddy and the cough, but it doesn't help with the cough, but it actually does help with the anxiety.
Yeah.
I'm good at it.
Did you take it today?
But last night I took the medicine that helped me go to sleep. And it calmed anxiety.
How's your anxiety today?
Usually when I hurt myself in the head, it hurts. But it doesn't hurt.
Do you have anxiety today?
No.
When you came here last week and talked to me, did you take your medicine that day?
Yeah, I take my medicine when I'm having trouble falling to sleep.
Okay.
But then when I take that medicine, it doesn't take too long to run sleep. And the medicine wakes me up a lot. But then I also go to sleep. It's so hard to sleep.
Is it?
Yeah. Because I just can't stay still. I'll start itching or I'm like, I have to cough and then it moves me and then, yeah.
It's hard to fall asleep, huh?
Okay.
Well, you said you can't go to Kansas because it got spoiled because Daddy did something bad and he's in jail. Tell me about that.
So we don't have it. Well, the investigation on, Little Bill.
Yeah.
Well, it turns out that he wasn't missing. Okay. He was actually dead.
He's dead. Tell me about that.
Well, somehow Daddy was able to put away the evidence on what really happened. So, the reason why I'm betting the reason why he keeps on losing the sense is because, like, he was going to these little instant places in the car, and then it stopped at each river.
What stopped at each river?
Joseph, each river just stopped. Because they keep on losing the scent.
So tell me about the car.
Hmm?
You just said something about the car.
Well, I don't know if that's true because maybe Daddy might have bought and just ran or something.
Okay.
And just took them to these places and took them there. Well, if he did that, they want the boss to scent. So I'm guessing he took the car.
You think he took the car?
Because he took one for 3 hours, he would have to come back home.
Was he gone for 3 hours?
No, I was asleep, so I'm guessing it took him 3 hours.
Do you like those?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then you can take this one and spread. So I'm not quite sure about this one.
So Alex, remember, only my friends can hear us talking today, right? Yeah. And you can't be in any trouble?
I know.
Yeah. You know your dad has talked to some people and told them some stuff that's happened.
Did he go here for counseling?
Did he go for counseling?
Daddy? Did he come here?
No, he didn't talk to me, he talked to my friends.
Like, yeah, that's right. That's the day that we come here last time.
Well, I think he's talked to some people since then and told them some things that had happened. He said that it was okay to tell the truth.
We told people that it was okay to tell the truth about him doing that bad thing. I don't know if my family knows.
What does your family know?
I don't know. I don't know if they know.
What do you know?
I don't know that much. I'm gonna miss some school because of what Daddy did. I'm gonna have to miss some school. But I'll be going back to school in a few days.
Okay. Yeah. Tell me what Daddy did. Well, help me understand what happened. Because you know what? I wasn't there and I do not know. And I need you to help me. Tell me what you heard with your ears and saw with your eyes.
didn't see anything. What happened that night? How are you supposed to see something in sleep? I'm getting this feeling he got took too far with words and he just stopped at rivers.
What makes you think that?
I can see in other people's eyes.
Whose eyes?
I'm seeing everyone's eyes. It doesn't matter whose eyes they are. I can go through the past, look in other people's eyes. Because one time I saw myself.
You did.
And it wasn't in a picture.
What did you see?
Oh, I saw myself standing backpack on. And then I just went out the door. My friend said it was time for me to go home from Papa's. That was when I was 3. I didn't see him other people's eyes. And I'm starting to see my little Joe's eyes from the past where he went to these rivers.
So you said they were dead.
Well, Daddy said that he killed the little Joe.
Yeah, he said that.
Boys.
He did.
He was being honest.
He was being honest. Tell me what you know about that.
Or I know now that just I heard that my uncle, not uncle Jack, the one that lives at his home for now, Tony, and yeah.
Who told you what happened?
He didn't tell me what happened.
So you're saying that what you're talking about a few days afterwards is not true?
No, it's not true. This is a lie.
Let's keep watching it.
What did they tell you? He told you that Joe's in heaven and you said, oh no.
The only response I could think of. For Daddy, honestly.
That day that you came to see me, when you went home, who took you home? Did Daddy drive you home or did Miss Sarah drive you home or something?
Miss Sarah.
Miss Sarah, and when you got home, what did you do? You took off your shoes?
Then I put my jeans and I put on my pants shorts.
Yeah, and then what did you do?
Tried to sleep. Because I get sleepy in the daytime.
You get sleepy? How, are you sleepy now?
Sort of.
Sort of.
Sort of. Oh, I didn't see this back thing right here.
You want to lean back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe I don't.
Why don't you want to?
I don't know.
Okay.
Just that feeling comfortable about things.
Are you comfortable right now?
Yeah, I'm comfortable.
Okay. How do you feel about that being a male? Feel safe? When you were here the other day, how did you feel, Alex? Sad? Scared? Thank you for telling me that. What made you feel scared?
The fact that Joe's missing.
The fact that Joe was missing made you feel scared? That you feel safe that Dad's in jail?
Yeah.
Tell me about that.
Well, since I'm not told that Joe died because of Daddy, I started to feel safe because Daddy was jail. But I didn't feel safe for Joe. So very worried,
How do you feel now?
confused.
What makes you feel confused? Tell me about that.
Why was Daddy still jail?
Well, what happened?
I don't know.
What did you see?
What did I see before I went to bed? Well, nothing that much. Nothing that Joe could be informed, but Daddy wasn't remember anything. He just told me to go to bed.
Is that what Daddy told you to say? Is that what happened or something else?
That's what happened.
So he peed, and then what happened?
And I think he totally didn't feel about that.
Have you had to talk to anyone about that day?
No, but
Just me?
yeah.
How do you feel about talking to me?
I don't
You feel regular?
know. I'm always, depressed.
Are you depressed right now?
Yeah, I'm always,
What's making you depressed right now?
I don't know, I'm always just depressed.
Why?
I'm not happy that much. I can laugh for a few seconds better. I just can always laugh.
Tell me about your house normally. What's it like at your house?
I haven't been to my house in a couple days.
Tell me where you're staying with your aunt and uncle. Yeah, do you like it there?
Yes, but no.
What do you like about it?
I like the fact that we have cool, delicious food, and I like that it's my aunt and uncle. And I like the fact that we have video games. But the fact that I don't like is that everyone was saying it was a hoax at home, and they're right, it was a hoax.
What was a hoax?
They were saying mommy was a hoax, but it was actually daddy.
Where was mom?
Oh, she was at Uncle Jack's. Mom.
Who's that?
Amy's mom.
Who's Mandy's mom?
I don't know. I forgot.
When did mom go there?
No, I forgot again.
That's okay. If you forget, I want you to tell me, okay? Because remember what my job is just to know everything that happened, because I wasn't there and I don't know anything. And I need you to help me understand.
Okay.
Do you need a water or a snack or anything? Did you have a snack here when you got here?
Yeah.
Tell me about Noah.
I'm also hungry.
Are you hungry? Do you want a snack? Tell me about Noah.
There's so much of you this morning. Because I was like that if I had this
What do you like to do with Noah? You don't. So you said that they said mommy was doing the hoax, but it was really daddy that did the hoax.
Yeah.
What's the hoax?
It's like a host is a thing on where people pull something, but it's not emotion.
What did daddy pull?
People are hooked.
What was the hoax?
That's what it means.
That Joe was missing?
Yeah, he was all along.
What makes you say that?
He's the one who killed him.
He's the one who killed him.
That's what I'm missing because he said he told the cops himself. I am Joe.
Did he
That's what it said. Yeah.
Did you hear him say that?
No,
No.
Mommy just goes. Mommy made her dad's crying with tons of tears.
Have you had tons of tears?
No.
So you're gonna go back to school in a few days? What do you miss the most about school right now?
2 classes a day. We go to notes and for our art class. And it's just too easy.
Do you like to go outside at school? Do you like to go outside and recess at school?
Yeah.
Remember I told you I have my friends that help me do my.
Oh, I have a best friend named 8. I forgot to tell you about him.
Yeah, tell me about 8.
He likes Chucky. And I like zombies.
You do.
So we sort of made this game where Chucky and zombies were friends. So, you know,
So you like to put 8.
yeah. The Chucky from the movie, like, where like,
Do you see that movie?
no, just, I saw the part where that guy burned him with the fire thing.
Yeah.
And that's the only part I saw.
Okay.
How come he does that?
I've never seen that. I'm gonna go to the restroom and be right back. Is it okay if you stay in here for a minute?
Okay.
Did I get you anything?
No.
Okay. You don't need anything?
Okay.
I'll be right back, okay? Can you watch a tablet for me?
Yep.
Okay.
He's late. What are you going to do?
Judge, I'm gonna ask that the continue to play as it speaks.
All right, if there's a reason to let it play, we'll let it play. I just didn't know if it was just blank air, I was gonna fast forward, but let it play.
I found something good about that's happening. Papa's no longer my papa. Now since Dad is in jail, Dad's no longer my papa. So he has no ownings of me. So that could be a good thing. That's the only good thing about him going to jail. I can finally get away from him. I can finally get away from him. I can finally also get away from, well, and also get away from her. I can get away from Rosie. I can get away from me. I can get away from Papa. I can get away from, that's all. That's all. That's just all. That's from it. And I can get away from my other name, so, yeah, that's a good thing. That's a good part of this. Oh, you know, I'm a yes. It's a million times. I get to get away from him. Because we're not kids no more. But he has no custody of me. Look, she's been grabbing me all the custody she wanted from me. But she's no longer in the family. And he's no longer in the family, so booyah! And then there's Papa. But my other Papa, yeah, he's still in the family because he's my best friend. Two Papas. And finally get away from the evil one.
you doing? What you doing?
I'm counting the even. This is where both sides are even.
How many are on each side?
6.
6. You like it to be even?
Here's the good side and here's the bad part.
What makes it good and bad?
Well, the fact that that is in jail, that my mean papa, my mean nanny, my other mean nanny, and my mean pussy, I can get rid of them now. Well, I can get away from them now, so, oh, no other part of the family. That's the good part. And the bad part is, that's in jail. There's like the bad part.
So you got away from the mean.
I got away from the mean, but since Daddy got in jail, that's bad.
Tell me about your other Nana that's mean.
She just came to our house not too long ago because of missing a year-old children.
Missing 5-year-old Joe Clyde Daniels.
You saw her on the news?
I didn't see it on the news.
Okay. So, the good part and the bad part.
So the good part is you get away from all the mean. The bad part is that he's in jail. But you feel safe that he's in jail.
Yes. So, both sides are good.
So both sides are good because you feel safe.
I'll tell the good side.
It's all the good side. Okay, thanks for helping me understand.
Okay.
Okay. So you said that your dad killed Joe.
Yes.
You call him Little Joe or just Joe or something else?
Joe and Little Joe.
Okay, show me your eyes. You know you're safe here, right? You know you're not in any trouble. You said that your dad told the police.
Yeah.
Your dad told the police that you saw what happened.
No one told him that he killed them.
I think he told the police, he told the police that you saw what happened, so I need you to help me understand.
I didn't see what happened.
If you don't know, you don't need to be scared because you are safe. Remember all the good stuff. You're safe. Show me how you're safe because he's in jail, right?
Here's all the bad stuff, all the bad stuff. And then there's only 4% good stuff.
Okay. So remember, he's in jail and you're safe. And
Yes, but even though that he didn't know, this is the only good stuff left now. Now when he called the police, I know what happened. I don't. So
you remember you're not going to be in
there's
trouble.
only 1% good now.
Tell me about your brother hiding. Tell me about Noah hiding. Did you tell Noah to hide?
No. And wrong question. Because I don't know that answer. Don't anymore.
Is it something that you know and you don't want to talk about?
I don't know. No one does. It's not hard that much.
Where was Mom when it happened?
When I was asleep. I don't know.
When you got in the car, did you go in the car with Dad? Where'd y'all go?
This place went here.
Here.
No. That wasn't that. I don't know.
Where was Joe at when you went to look for him? Okay. You need a break? Okay.
But one last thing, I did not know what it was.
Do you want to break by yourself or do you want to break with me in here?
Both of them.
You want me to have a break too? Okay. I'll leave you in here for a minute, okay?
Hey, I want to do
Do you need anything? How about some water? You want some water?
I am the one.
You want me to go get it?
No. I was taking the bottle.
Okay. Do you need a snack or anything?
No.
Okay.
All I had was
Okay. I'll bring it back, okay? Well, I'm gonna let you have a break for a minute. I'll be right back, okay?
I didn't blow up. Oh, I blew up. I like to be cold. I like to be cold because the reason why I like to be cold is because I like to know myself but the reason why I like to be cold is because that's not a cold sleep fast. There was a cold so much. Still good. This is the good goods. This is really good.
Are you good to talk for a minute? Yes, okay.
I'm just gonna get this.
Is it still all safe or not safe?
Mostly unsafe.
Why is it unsafe now?
And if you told them that I know what happened, there's only 1% burning that.
Tell me why.
Well, there's actually 0% burning that.
Why?
Oh, because the police whole thing down.
Listen, nobody thinks that you lied to them, Alex. Nobody's mad. You can't be in trouble. Nobody's upset. You are safe, okay? And all the police want to know is what you did see. And if you saw it, it's okay if you didn't tell us before, okay?
I understood.
So Daddy said that he saw it, that he did it, and that you saw him do it,
No,
and that you might be scared.
I did not see that. I would try to, that's fine, I don't know.
You tried what?
I would try to grab what he was using and just fend for myself as long as I could.
What was he using?
I don't know. If I knew what it was using, I would. Because, I would have run home, called 911, tried to survive as long as I could.
Did you survive?
Well, that's only if I was better. I wasn't better.
So you know Pavlov is a really good listener. Yeah, I'm gonna leave for a little bit and let you sit here with Pavlov. Can you talk to Pavlov about what happened and let him be your listener today? Okay.
It's confusing talking to a dog.
Well, he's a really good listener. You can just tell him what you saw that night, what you heard. And you know what? Nobody thinks you lied to them. It's okay.
I'm in 7. Like, it's 7.
Are you scared?
This the thing that
Who's a murderer?
I don't know. Tons of people.
You know
This
one?
is how much I feel safe. This is how much I don't feel safe.
Do you know a murderer?
No. I would never see a murderer.
Do you know anyone that's killed somebody?
One. Daddy, of course. I didn't know that happened. Maybe you said that to cut off their investigation because it's taking too long. maybe he was just being really honest and that he really did that.
What room did it happen in?
Huh?
What room did it happen in?
I don't think that happened at all. I'm thinking that it happened outside. And if you want to know the reason why I think it happened outside, we would have saw blood all over the place.
Was there blood?
I had a drop. Unless he cleaned it.
Where did he put little Joe?
I don't know. He never told anyone. Because I was asleep.
Do you live in a big house or a small house or something else?
But maybe I might have saw it.
What did you see?
I haven't seen anything before. I thought I was sleepwalking, and that's the reason why he said I saw it.
Can you think real hard and tell Pavlov what you saw? Okay. Why don't you sit here for a minute and think real hard about it, and then you can tell him, okay? Okay.
I'm not sleepwalking. Thinking about what he said I saw it. I could have been sleepwalking. Okay, this is a silly idea. I'm not working my sleepwalking eyes. This one's scary. That didn't be true. I don't know that. Sleep. I'm sleeping. But how come I'm seeing already? My sleepwalking personality was seen all red. That can't be a good sign. Does it normally mean if when you're sleepwalking you're actually when you're sleepwalking you're actually that easy? I don't believe that. How would that I don't believe that, but like, ugh, that's scary. Even though that you're the scary thing, still, scary. Scaring myself. Anyways. How did I teleport? That's like impossible. No one's ever teleported. But if you do have portals in their life, there's not so much money. They don't know yet. I bet the cheap ones are the ones that don't work. I'm not using that don't want any portals for at least free.
You're thinking about. You wanna sit there?
Yeah. Whenever I put my hand to the light, it's regular. But then when I have it covered, it looks all green.
It does.
You can look yourself. Doesn't this look green to you?
Sure. Hey, look at me. You were telling me, you can see through some glass and
Yeah. I tried to look through my night walking eyes.
Can you see
But-
through Dad's eyes?
Since he's related to me, I can. I don't do it, but I could see through just because he's not that related to me. But,
What did you see in Joe's eyes that night?
oh, I just looked nothing in the door, and when I looked in his eyes, I actually looked in my own eyes, but everything in my eyes was actually just like all this red color.
Red color?
I couldn't see the red color, I could only see red.
Did Joe see red that day?
Yeah, but when I looked in the glass, I saw that my eyes were like plain, bright white. Very bright.
When, did Dad tell you that he was gonna hurt you if he told you like what happened to little Joe?
Yeah. He didn't tell me what happened to little Joe until my Uncle Jack told me. And I was at my hand in that reflection, and then I saw like there's like a little thing right here. There's a cut straight thing right here, but there's blood pouring down.
Where did that come
I don't know. It must have came through a knife. But it's no
from? Did Dad have
longer.
a knife?
I don't know. I'm just thinking that he just grabbed a knife and I saw him just, I saw my own eyes.
What else did your eyes see?
Honestly, what I see. My eyes also saw, I just saw, but I don't know, I couldn't move myself.
You couldn't move yourself. Where were you?
I was like, I don't know. It's like I never been to that place before.
Uh-oh. I need your help. You're doing a good job helping me understand a lot of the things that happen. And you're helping Joe, okay?
Okay.
So thank you for helping me and for helping little Joe.
Okay.
Right? Tell me,
Draw a tree.
draw a tree.
I saw a tree.
You saw a tree?
Yes.
Was it a red? Probably not a red tree.
Yeah.
I want to draw your house,
Okay.
okay?
But it wasn't in my house.
Well, I just want to know what your house looks like inside. We talked a little bit about it last time, but if this is your house, okay, tell me, where's the kitchen? Like, here's your front door, okay? So this is your front door. If you open this front door, where's the kitchen? Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Where is your room? Okay, and right, Alex. You have your own room, right, Alex?
Yeah.
Okay. Where is mom? Does mom and dad share a room? Crystal and Joe? Where is their room? By the kitchen?
Yeah.
So is it this way or this way?
This way.
Okay. So this would be mommy and daddy. Okay. Where's Aunt Joyce's room?
I mean, like the next door beside me.
The next door beside you is Joyce? Okay. And that's where Noah sleeps?
Yeah.
Okay. What about mom, pop, your grandparents' bed? What do you call the Nanny and Papa?
Yeah. And
Where's Nanny and Papa?
other people sleep on this side.
Is this side, so is it another door? Is it?
Yeah, there's two other doors.
Okay, so this
Three other
is
doors.
Nanny and Papa? Okay. And you slept in this room with Joe? Little Joe and you slept in this room, okay. Where is like the TV at? Like where does everyone watch TV? You have like a living room?
Yeah, we have a living room. It's right down for something.
Okay. We talked about the coffee table in that living room.
Yeah.
Is there a coffee table in there?
Yeah.
Tell me about the coffee table.
But I have apples in that.
Okay. You like apples?
No, the only reason why I'm saying to add apples is because there was something weird about the apples.
When you,
The apples were like dripping down this red like blood. It's like I never saw apples drip down blood.
you told me that you saw Dad dragging little Joe's body. Where was that? Was it inside or outside?
It was outside the house far away.
Okay. What did you see with the coffee table?
It was moved a different way. Everyone saw that.
Where was it moved?
Daddy tried to make it look like he didn't, that Joe escaped. It was moved right there.
Did you see Daddy moving?
No. It's like,
Remember, you're only in trouble.
I wasn't sleepwalking yet at the time.
When you were sleepwalking, what did you see?
Those apples were bloody. I swear.
Did you see little Joe?
No. There's no blood coming from it. Maybe it's because he was asleep.
Tell me what happened to Joe's face.
Well, Joe's face, I just couldn't see. My eyes were so bright. Only thing I could see is like blue.
Was Joe crying or screaming or anything?
No, he was asleep. He didn't know anything. When he shut off, everything else in his body shut off too.
What about his arms and legs? What did you see?
Or anything. He didn't move at all.
Was he laying down or sitting up?
He was sort of, no, Daddy was to this instant spot. But then, Daddy must have stabbed me in the hand, because I looked down there,
When all this happened, where was Mommy? Where is the hallway with the hole in it? This is a hallway, and there's a hole there?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we checked there.
Oh, and there's a hole. Did you see Mom standing in the hallway at all?
The only thing I did, I teleported out of the house. That's what I saw. How does someone teleport?
Well, remember, in this room, Alex, we can only talk about things that are true and real. Remember?
These are true.
And remember, you're helping little Joe, right? You're helping us understand what happened to little Joe. Because we weren't there, and Daddy says you were there and you saw it.
I was sleepwalking. I didn't say that. I was sleepwalking and saw it.
You saw it. What did you see?
I saw, I just heard, I heard tons of stuff. And I saw these guys just walking in a strange way.
What did you hear in your house that day?
Well, that day, I just heard, that day, when I wasn't asleep.
Remember how you told me that Joe peed on the floor and you went and told Daddy?
Yeah.
And you said Daddy came over and
Yeah.
what did Daddy do?
He told you about that again. And we all went to sleep.
Is that what really happened? What Daddy told you to tell me or something else?
That really happened.
Because remember, you cannot be
But, and I know that we I heard strange noises. It wasn't anything like screaming.
What was it?
It was like a trumpet, but it was actually some weird guy who looked like he was made out of metal.
Where were you standing or sitting at?
When I was asleep, when I was standing, go all the way in the house, I don't say that. And I couldn't move.
Did you try to move?
I tried to move. I couldn't move because I wasn't there, but when I was asleep, I was there. So
You couldn't move.
I didn't move because if I tried to move, something would happen.
What would happen?
I heard that someone told me like, this was told me if you move, you'll explode into a million pieces. So I tried to move, but I was stuck because someone didn't want to blow up.
Did you tell Noah to go and move?
No one was asleep. But I did see someone else coming with me, and it might have been Noah. Me and Noah are the same thing as I did. Let me speak in Noah's voice for a second. That's strange.
What?
The same thing. Me and Noah looks like the same thing.
What did Noah see?
Noah saw everything I saw. He just ran, but he could move. I couldn't move.
Your mom?
He was sleeping, so I can't understand anything. It's almost like Joe didn't want me to see what was happening in his eyes. I tried just now, but I don't see anything but just static. But I'm seeing something right now. I remember last night there was this thing like where I was starting to not be able to see that much of what was going on. But I think that's because I was starting to wake up. I saw all sort of static.
So you saw something, but you couldn't move.
I didn't move. If I moved, someone told me the whole world would just. But I don't know if that was true. Plus, I teleported there, so I was sort of stuck.
And Noah saw the same thing, but he ran because he couldn't move.
He didn't run backwards, he tried to stop Daddy.
Tell me about that.
Noah protected Joe for a few hits, but then Noah woke up. So, he went to it.
Was Daddy hitting Joe?
Then I must have woke up. I know I didn't wake up, but I couldn't see anything else that happened.
So you saw Daddy hit Joe and Noah tried to stop it?
Noah stopped it for a few hits, I guess, but then
Where was Daddy hitting Joe? Where on his body?
you see, I didn't know because as soon as Noah defended him for those 2 times, it sort of got rid of me. And I saw this very, very, very shiny red thing on the ground. It looked like it was very shiny and it was very red. So as soon as I could move it in, I picked it up.
What was it?
I looked at it and it was actually like I touched it and it felt like a jewel. I never felt a jewel before, but I'm guessing that's what it feels like. Hard, unsquishable, and
Where is it?
but something happened to it. Wanna know what happened to it? I sort of dropped it, and then like this blue person just came out of the middle of nowhere. But then he just picked up the floor and left. It was pitch black and part blue.
Alex, did you ever get in the car with your dad? With Joe in the car?
No, I must have teleported. I teleported somewhere.
Okay. Did you ever get in the car and go with Dad and little Joe?
Well, before he got killed, before we was asleep, like a long time before that.
Well, after. Did you ever get in the car after little Joe was killed with Daddy?
Yes, that one. Maybe Daddy was trying to kill me too.
What makes you think that?
Because if he took me with him by himself, that's what he did to Joe. So right now that makes me think he was trying to kill me too.
Did he hurt your body?
No.
Did he say that he would hurt you if you told him his body?
No.
Where did he put Joe in the car?
I don't know. The strange thing is that he disappeared. And another strange thing is, no one ran off.
How did he run off?
But I did.
How did he get out the door?
He didn't.
That he ran off?
Yeah, but you don't want to know how I got out that door?
No.
I tried to open it, and then I found out that you don't have to open it. Then I put my hand through it, I teleported. It looks like a door, it was a portal.
Can you do me a favor? And can you think while I'm gone if there is anything else that you need to tell me,
There's nothing
or if
else.
there's anything else you can tell Pavlov so he can know what happened, okay?
I do remember one thing.
Okay, tell me that.
There was this person with Daddy, and he just they was both just standing there until Noah came in and Noah dodged their hits. But then I just lost.
Was it mommy or
It was on the hill. Because everything was so good. I was on the hill. Trying to tell it to Noah because I had seen Noah when we looked at each other. Like on a sleep party, we can actually know who it is. But I actually did see Noah. He hadn't seen Mark. And this morning when I woke up,
So you don't know if it was mom or aunt or she that saw Dad hitting him?
but
Where were they standing when Dad was hitting him?
it was in at 7.
Right side Dad? Were they saying anything?
No.
What did they have on their bodies? What were they wearing?
That just when, you know that how I said it was blue and black? He was at that skin something. And this morning when I woke up, I went to check that mark. I looked at it earlier, but I sort of got confused and so I left before I saw anything.
Are you confused right now?
Yes.
What are you confused
Do you
about?
see that little part of my skin that's like this little thing right here that's curved straight down? That's like the thing. That's the day before John, 2 days before John went missing, I wasn't there. So I'm guessing I got stabbed in the hand. But that was my head.
Yeah. How do you feel about talking?
Mostly worried. What if someone evil broke through this room and not that this room, but that room, and we're gathering information?
They can't get in this building
No.
because it's secure. We're behind a locked door that no one can get back behind. If you press a certain button, nobody can get back here. So nobody can get information.
Okay.
And I can't give anybody the information.
Only if it's on this one. Only, well, is that recording? I thought so. It was,
I don't want you to be worried, okay?
it was so scary.
It was scary what happened that day.
What happened that night?
Yeah.
Well, a couple seconds before I teleported back into the other sleep, I saw something like, I saw this thing that looked like, it looked like, I don't know what it looked like, but it looked like a tiger, but it didn't have any teeth.
So you know by telling me about little Joe that you're helping little Joe so that we know what happened? Do you know why? Because Alex looked at me and said, okay, I wasn't there and I don't know what happened. And I need you to help me as best you can understand everything that happened to little Joe that night.
Sometimes I can't see my wings. Why is that?
I don't know, I know we both different now.
Seriously. Some days I can't see my wings at all that day.
Is there anything else you know about that?
Anything else I know? I think I do remember a scream.
You do?
I do. I don't remember a scream, but it wasn't like little Joe's scream. It was almost like little Joe's body was in that spot, but his soul was somewhere else.
When you saw his body in that spot, how was his body?
I didn't hurt his body, it actually just hurt his soul. And it wasn't him who screamed, it was the soul. It killed his soul.
What killed him?
A knife. But Daddy wasn't doing it. There's this person beside him with a super, you know that person that was beside him? That super sharp knife. But he must have been a soul guy that only kills your soul, not you. Then
So you heard a scream.
I heard a scream, but
Was Daddy making any noises when he was hitting Joe?
no. I only heard this thing where it was like, I saw this thing in the sky.
Was Mommy making any noises when Daddy was hitting Joe?
actually, I was sitting making a noise.
What did you think?
It was this thing that was happening in my hand where it was just, my nose was just, oh, so sharp.
Will you do me a favor, and I'm gonna go for one more second. Will you just think really hard if there's anything else you're doing? And we still have one. I'll be right back, okay?
I'm 100% sure.
I have some more information to talk about.
Nah,
I'll be right back, okay?
but, tastes good. What? It tastes good. It tastes good. Doesn't have a taste. What's your voice? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
And pretty much I blew up.
So, remember,
Bye.
we were talking about the police?
Yes.
These are my police friends. They gave me the card, you wanna hold them? This is my police friend, his name is Mr. Brent, and this is Mr. Brent.
Okay. Friends and friends.
And you know what?
What?
They are not mad at you.
What?
They think you're doing a great job helping us understand about little Joe. You wanna hold him? And they're not mad at you, even if you think that you lied about something, okay? Nobody is mad at you. And do you know what? Show me here.
Can I say something else? Well, I'm thinking that is going to be like my friend, my great uncle. Because, well, it was a young teenager, too. So, and it looked like Daddy when he is a teenager. Maybe he has a two in the street.
So remember when you were worried they might be mad that you lied, and they're not mad, okay? And you know what they told me just now? That they talked to your daddy, and your daddy wants you to tell the truth today, okay?
What did I say?
You were saying that you went to a river you've never been to, and you saw daddy dragging little Joe's body outside. Tell me about that.
Well, that's the strange part.
Okay.
The part that I saw that was most strangest is that Daddy's shadow, there was a hole to his mouth. And then I just saw these super sharp teeth.
Well, tell me about the knife you saw. What did it look like?
It was so sharp. Super sharp.
What did it look like?
And it looked like, it almost, wait, Daddy has swords in his closet.
Did you see a sword?
Yeah, it was, well, unless he was trying to use it like a big knife.
Well, you told me that you saw daddy hit Joe and that Noah tried to step in and then ran off and hid. Did you see daddy with a knife?
It wasn't a knife, it was big. A lot bigger than a knife.
What did he do with it?
Well, I guess he just put it back in his closet.
Did he touch little Joe with it?
Yeah,
Where?
I don't know. I just disappeared before that happened.
Was that by the river or somewhere else?
Somewhere else.
Where?
Well,
Help me understand what happened to little Joe, okay? Can you help me? Help me know what you saw.
I saw a quick flash of blood. Then I also saw this thing. Where did the blood come from? The blood was coming from the blood apples, and then some of the blood was actually coming from me. There was blood like all in my eyes.
When you went to bed that night, you slept in Nanny and Papa's bed?
Yes, but there's something that I saw in that house that was never there. But it was this light blue gun or a stick. That is what I can believe. So, somehow that stick got in our house that day. I think someone put it in there trying to do something.
Where was it?
It was back in the room,
Whose room?
back in the body room.
And where was it? In her room.
It was in the closet. So,
Did anyone touch it that day?
only I did. Only me and Noah did. So maybe that's why it happened to me and Noah. Maybe that's why that thing happened to me and Noah.
So let me walk through the night one more time, okay? You went to bed. Joe, you on the floor.
Okay. Jumping on the floor first. When first Joe woke up, then he on the floor. Then he went out of the room around the sleep and
When Daddy came in that room, was Joe being on the floor still? What was happening?
he started peeing in the floor.
Did Dad get mad?
No, not a bit.
Did Dad tell you to tell me that he didn't get mad? Or you?
No.
Because remember, he can't hear us. He's not here.
I know, but he wasn't mad on anything. He really wasn't mad. I just don't know why he did
And you remember, he wants you to tell the truth. He told the police to tell you to tell the truth. And you saw him hit Joe, and Noah tried to stop it and then ran.
But
And
here's
you couldn't move.
yeah.
In that,
But here's something else I want to tell you. Okay. When I went back in the closet the day after that stick was gone.
okay.
So I'm thinking someone put that stick there and then
When he was hitting, look at me, in this house, when he was hitting Joe, was he in this house or somewhere else?
he was going away from the house. There is this one place that there's still a house just like our houses.
Yeah. Did you go there with Daddy?
No.
Where did you go with Daddy after little Joe went missing? Like, you came out your front door, and where did you go?
Well, if I'm looking this way, I went that way. But if I'm looking this way, I went that way.
And where else did Joe go? Did Joe drive to the river?
No.
You said you went to a river you've never seen before with Dad? Was that with little Joe in the car?
No. That was a different river. This river was on it. This river was on it.
What did you do with the river?
The one that we went through that day,
Yeah.
I didn't know anything.
What did it look like?
I don't know. I forgot. And what something like the shape of a dinosaur? They call it the dinosaur lake.
Have you been there before?
No, it's not a lake. It's actually the dinosaur waters. What is the name of that? Okay, I don't know.
If you do remember stuff,
Tell you?
can you just think in your permanent and see if there's anything else you remember?
No, I'm going to this into.
Right. Remember you're helping little Joe, right?
Well, wait. What if Daddy didn't kill Joe on purpose?
What makes you think that?
Well, the stick. That one blue stick.
Did Daddy get mad that he killed him?
No.
Did he make him go outside or anything?
No.
All right, give me just 1 sec, okay?
Okay.
I think I'm gonna, remember I'm recording us, and I'm gonna have to turn this one off and put another one in, okay?
Oh, we have to do it again.
Well, not again, I have a couple more questions I'm gonna ask you, but I'm gonna switch it out, okay? Is that okay?
On a different disc.
Yeah,
Okay.
because we're gonna run out, so I'm gonna leave you here and I'll be right back, okay?
We're gonna run out of time.
In this video, you tell Ms. Taggart over and over again that you were asleep.
Yes.
Is that true?
Yes. But I woke up.
And she gets frustrated with you and keeps pushing you back to the story. How many times do you think she told you that you watched your dad beat Joe?
At least 4 times.
That's in this interview, right?
Mm-hmm.
And how many times were you interviewed?
A lot. It's only been recorded twice, but I've had a lot of interviews. I've only had 2 with her. The rest of them are with the other person.
Give me just a second. Have you told any other stories of what happened that night?
No. That's the one story that I told. Well, no. I've told the other story, but this one's obviously a lie. To be 100% honest, I just wanted to get out of there.
Today, when you talk about what you saw in the house, where was your mother?
She was back in the hallway, hiding behind that thing that had the Kansas sign.
She was the furthest away from Joe, wasn't she?
Yes.
You want her to be as far from the problem as you can, don't you?
No.
Mr. Crouch?
I'm going to move the April 5th, 2018 Child Advocacy Center interview as the next exhibit, and then the April 9th, 2018 Child Advocacy Center interview is
All
next.
right. 141 will be the April 5th child.
142.
What's one?
141 is this picture.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Alex, we're almost finished. Can you take a few more questions?
Yeah.
Thank you. You said that you had about 50 interviews at the Child Advocacy Center. Was that with Dr. David?
Yes.
No, were those interviews or therapy sessions?
Interviews, they were kind of like interviews, but they were therapy sessions.
Who all was in the therapy sessions with you and Dr. David?
Just him.
Just him?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you know his last name?
No.
All right. And when was the last time that you saw Dr. David?
2 years ago, I think.
Okay. When Mr. Mitchell first asked you some questions before we watched the videos, you said that something about at the Child Advocacy Center, some of the things you said were to protect the defendant?
Yeah, but that was before that I knew that he killed him.
Okay. You don't want to protect him anymore?
No.
Who got rid of your dogs?
Bell and Joe, actually. But I think that Joseph and Crystal drove him off, but Big Joe made him.
Okay. And just a couple more questions. You mentioned in this interview a hoax. What was the hoax?
I don't know what the hoax was, but I think it's when he said he had run away. That was the hoax.
And everything that you've testified to today to this jury, is that truthful or not truthful?
It is truth. That was a lie.
Pass the witness.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I've been handed one question that I'm of the opinion this is one that I can talk to the lawyers on a sidebar conference and deal with it before we take a recess. So let me see lawyers over here, please. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I talked with the lawyers about the question that was submitted by one of the jurors, and I'm going to go ahead and ask it. If, Alex, I know you are 11 now, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Back at the time when you were taking those interviews, did they have you on some sort of medication?
Yes.
Do you know what it was?
It was a sleeping pill to help me sleep, and then I took an allergy medicine.
And then what?
Then I took an allergy medicine.
Okay.
I had bad allergies that still happen.
All right. But was that for a particular problem that you were having?
Yes, I had very severe allergies.
Allergies?
They're less severe now, but they're still severe.
All right. Were you given any kind of medication for any type of anxiety or anything?
I don't think so.
You don't remember specifically, or you
No.
don't think so? All right.
No, I just don't think so.
All right. Anybody have any questions then based on what I've asked? All right. Then we're going to allow you to step down, Alex, and if you will. Ladies and gentlemen, we're now going to go ahead and take an afternoon recess and let everybody stretch their legs. So if you'll go back to your jury room, we will be in recess for 15 minutes.
Recording stopped.
Just out of curiosity, Mr. Krause, do we know how many more witnesses you are going to plan to try to get through this afternoon? A lot. All right.
We have, I think, at least 4 we can get through.
All right. We'll try to go as long as we can. As long as the jury is alert and attentive, we'll keep going for a while. So, all right. Then we'll stand at recess for 15 minutes.
Remember, they got to go back into the park today.
And so
They got to undo their luggage and all that.
I am reminded that they have to return to their original lodging tonight, which means they're transporting all of their lodging, their luggage and everything. So.